Okay, so we're just going to pick up where we left off before. Just adding adding my name to personalize and customize some apps. So just adding that. It's got predictive text on, so I'm going to have to disable that later. Set up face recognition, set up a pin pattern. So you've got basically the security features. At the moment I'll just say no thanks, and then I'll add that later. Skip anyway. Google services, so which ones you want location accuracy and things like that. So I'm going to turn that off, the first one, which is Google's location services for help the different apps. We've got improved location accuracy, that one's turned off as well. Help improve your Android experience. I don't want to send my data to Google for that, or Samsung, so next. Then you've got different accounts, Bixby, Samsung Cloud, themes, Find My Mobile, Samsung Pass, and so on. At the moment, again, I'm not going to use any of them. I might use Bixby or so, but that'll probably be it. For now, I'm just going to press skip. Skip. And see here now you've got Smart Switch or Samsung Cloud. If you used a Samsung, if you're upgrading or changing from a previous Samsung phone. My old phone wasn't a Samsung, so for me it would be the Smart Switch, but I'm not going to do that yet either. So we've got extend your battery life, that's on. Secure your stuff, that's on. Set screen layout. So okay, for me all that stuff is fine. Get weather forecasts, yeah. So consent to the use of your location by the content provider. Consent to enable location and change locating method. Receive weather updates. I'm just going to press finish on that. Connect to a network to view weather information. I'll do later. And that's your phone set up and ready to start. It's got a bit of a live. It's got a bit of a live wallpaper. Let me just get rid of those. So a bit of a live wallpaper. As you can see, the things are moving as well. That looks like Bixby, like a launch pad for Bixby, but it's not working because I'm not connected to Wi-Fi at the moment. As you can see, there's no actual physical buttons. They're touch. There, and the back button, obviously. You've got a little, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little arrow, like a little arrow thing to launch your app screen or home screen when you drag up. So drag up, or you can you must be able to okay, so they've changed it slightly, but fine. And then you've got your standard Samsung apps that will come with the phone. You can also drag down. Obviously, the more apps you have, the more screens it will take, and you'll be able to scroll left to right on this bit, and obviously see your different apps and then launch them from there. If you want a phone, by default looks like it has NFC enabled already, maybe. Just going to try and find that. There it is. So NFC is on already. You've got your always on display, edge lighting, and sync. I'm going to leave them on. Don't need blue light filter, torch, anything like that. One other thing I'm just going to mention, so it does look like it's a bit of an edge display on this. The screen is literally edge to edge, or at least the visible part of the screen, the functional part of the screen. At the bottom here, and by the way, there's the always on display. At the bottom here you've got the S Pen, just here. Just near where my finger is, and basically if you press it in, you'll hear a little click and it will come out a little bit. Come out a little bit like that, and then you just pull on the end and your S Pen will come out. And that's your S Pen. Yeah. And you can use this obviously for, so it has features on, like, so you can take notes while the phone's actually locked. So right now I can still, I can write anything I like. And if I want to, I can delete it, I believe. Okay, so it's saved in the Samsung Notes, and then obviously I can just go and delete that, and you've got a little notification there to say that as well. There's your thing, and then to put it back in, just slide it back in like that and click it back in place, and that's it. I'll remove the SIM card tray and everything and add the SIM card later on, but that's pretty much it for now. Alright, see you guys.